Hey, what's going on everybody? It's Grom Gamer, and today we're going to be doing an oil change on my 2025 Honda Grom SP. The supplies that you'll be needing are some sort of oil catch pan, a funnel, some oil, motorcycle oil. I'll be using Honda 10W30 motorcycle oil. And I can link these in the description as well. Crush washers. You'll need a KN 117 oil filter. Need an 8mm ratchet for the oil filter right here, and then you'll need a 12mm ratchet for the oil drain. Also, I've got some gloves here that I'll be using. These are totally optional, but it does sometimes get a little bit messy. All right, first things first, I like to loosen up the oil filter. I don't completely undo it, but just that way it's not airlocked. Whenever I'm trying to drain the oil, it does help it drain a little bit more quickly, I think. Then from there, we're gonna get our oil catch pan in place. Slide that underneath. And you don't have to use an actual catch pan for this. I see tons of people using gallon milk jugs, things like that with the top cut off. So this bolt right here, that's what you're gonna be using your 12mm on, and this is what you're gonna loosen to drain your oil. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and loosen it up. Oh, yeah, this is really tight, that's not good. We're gonna loosen this up. Let the oil drain out, and then also remove the crush washer. That way it has a nice tight seal and you're not leaking later. So we'll go ahead and let that all drain out. And also I like to tilt the bike up a little bit, and that'll help it flow out, because right now it's on the kickstand instead of a center stand, so it's leaned over. Once I tilt it up upright, I'll be able to get the rest out. So hopefully you guys can see it. I'm gonna go ahead and tilt the bike up. A little bit more oil should come out. Maybe not too much more, but just get the last couple drops out before we replace it. Give it a little shaky sometimes. Let's see. You guys can see better than I can from the camera, but I think I got everything. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and wipe everything off. That way it's nice and clean. And then also, I'm gonna replace that bolt and crush washer. I just got the M12 crush washers. I'll get it hand tight first, and then I'll go ahead and tighten it down with that 12mm. All right, next is oil filter. I already loosened these, so they should be hand loose. We'll go ahead and remove both of these bolts. Remove the cover, remove the old oil filter, and then replace it with the new KN 117 oil filter. Also, don't lose the spring. Also, I'm making a mess. I used chopsticks to get this out last time. That's not the right way probably, but whatever you gotta do to just pinch this and pull it out. No chopsticks this time. I just used a flathead screwdriver, wedged it behind, and pull it out. I'll just put that there since it's dirty. All right, KN 117 fuel filter. Hopefully you guys can see that. Hopefully it's in focus. I got this on Amazon. Apparently you can get it at hardware stores, but I couldn't find it locally, so got it online. We'll go ahead and replace that. Oop. Spring. And then, I mean, really it's just as easy as replacing this. Make sure you got a nice tight seal. There's no crush washer on this one to worry about, so just get it nice and tight. We'll go ahead and hand tighten it first. Tight enough. We'll call that good. Clean up a little bit. All right, last thing. This is the oil fill cap. Go ahead and remove that. And we'll go ahead and replace that oil that we just removed. It's 1 quart, so I bought 1 quart of this Honda oil, 10W30 motorcycle oil. Don't jack this up and make the same mistake I did. I put regular car oil in last time, which is why I'm doing this again. Stick it in. And it takes about 1 quart of oil, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the whole quart in. Right after that, we'll go ahead and wipe everything down. put the oil fill cap back on, and start her up. You're gonna toss your oil fill cap back on, and you're done. Oops. You're done. It's that easy. I'll go ahead and grab my keys. We'll start it up real quick. You've got your view window right here so you can see your oil. You guys, I don't know, maybe you can see it from where you're at, maybe not. But tilt the bike up. You'll be able to see in that view window that you've got oil in there. Oil looks nice and clean, it's brand new. And yeah, we'll go ahead and start it up. I don't know if it's gonna make a difference. I had the wrong oil in it before, so I did the oil change with the right oil. It may or may not make a difference, but I was just playing it safe since this is a newer bike. Make sure she's not gonna explode or smell like she's on fire. It's a cold start, so I'm not gonna go ahead and give it any RPMs right now, but yeah, everything seems to be fine. And that's pretty much it. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. After this, I'm gonna go for a little ride, practice my my wheelies, if you can even call it that yet, and I'll report back, let you guys know how it is. If I notice anything different or whatever, it might just be better for the bike long term. I might not notice anything, but yeah, I'll let you guys know. But yeah, the oil change on the Honda Grom is extremely easy. It's 1 quart of oil. The fuel filter is 11 bucks. Most of the stuff you probably already have laying around, like a funnel and stuff, so you don't really need to pay anybody to do it. Even with walking you guys through it and talking you guys through it and kind of like taking my time, it took less than 10 minutes. So yeah, anyways, thanks for watching. Appreciate everybody, and I'll go for a ride after this, let you guys know how it goes. See ya.